Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by opening XM.com or the XM trading app and navigate to login. Enter your account, email, and your current password to access settings. Before changing, plan a new password between 8 and 15 characters with at least one number and one uppercase letter. Confirm your recovery email is current and accessible. Close any unnecessary tabs and disable autofill temporarily for safety. Keep your device secure and connected during the process to avoid interruptions. After logging in, go to My Account and then to Security or Change Password. Click the Change Password option to reveal 3 fields on screen. Type your current password in the first field exactly as entered. Enter your new password of 8 to 15 characters in the second field. Retype the same new password in the confirmation field to avoid typos. Click Save or Update and wait for the confirmation message from the platform. XM will often send a verification email after a password change. Open that message promptly. Click the verification link inside the email to finalize the change and confirm your identity. If you cannot access your old password, use the Reset Password link on the login page and follow the emailed reset instructions. After changing, test login once more to ensure access works with the new password. Consider enabling 2-factor authentication and rotating passwords every 90 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.